Hey Kara, it's me, Nafisa. I know we haven't even talked for a while. I'm sorry for not talking to you earlier. No, you don't need to apologize for that. It's up. Well, it's nothing much. I just wanted to talk to you for a moment. What are you doing? Buying stuff for Anna, for defense and stuff. You know the classic Anna. That's why I keep leaving her, as always. Well, yeah, but why does she want you to buy her groceries? I wanna know why. Be quiet. The cashiers are hearing our conversation. Oh, sorry. I was just curious. It's fine. Well, I always accept everyone's requests. Are they favor? Yeah, that's why she wants me to do her groceries. Oh, that's why. I mean, yeah, she always gives you some requests and stuff. You know how she is, Nafisa. She's probably waiting for me outside right now. It's like evening. I have to hurry before it's nighttime. So, bye Nafisa. Later we'll talk. Alright, goodbye, Kara. I hope we'll talk a lot later. Goodbye.